Hello everyone, and let's do the unboxing of DJI Mini 3 Pro, which I got after claiming on Fresh Care. I paid for this DJI Mini Pro $345 because it was my fault. So my drone in evening time it fly away. So I did claim. It took like 1 week for me to claim and arrived. So very quick, very good delivery service. Everything was so awesome and smooth. Yes, so if you guys wanna do claiming on your Refresh Care, so just go on DJI official website rather than going on D1, because D1 they don't know, because I was talking with them in the beginning, but they just guiding like, oh, you have to do this and that. But on DJI official, you just ring them straight away and they will guide you in a proper way. So yes, I've got my DJI Mini 3 Pro. I'm excited, but yeah, because I bought that my first DJI Mini 3 Pro from someone, so he does have Refresh Care. But after a few days, so when I was flying at the top of Opera House, Harbor Bridge, I've lost my drone. It will fly away. It went to Governor House, which was not accessible for me, stuck somewhere in the trees, and I had the address location, but again it was so like a big tree. It was not accessible at all. So then I called the DJI Mini 3 Pro on official website. They guided me. They told me to upload the flight report, and they told me to there was, I don't know what's that called, scenic or something. Yeah, so they did everything. They on the same day they say, oh, it was your fault, you did put the route to home button, but yeah, because it was getting dark, so the feature of avoiding obstacle, it wasn't working anyway. And then because I bought that one from someone for $900, and I've lost it. So for this one, there was two choices. If it was my fault, I have to pay like as I paid $345. If it was not my fault, they would have given me the free one, but because I paid $345. So yeah, it's all right. It was my fault, because you make mistake, you learn something, you know what I mean. So I'm excited for this, and I will definitely shoot as soon as possible. So I want you guys to look at this, what I've got. So I've got one battery, which is a long lasting battery, Intelligent Flight Battery Plus, DJI Mini 3 Pro. So it's very small and very smart boxing for this battery. And the other one is DJI Mini 3 Pro. Most of you knows very well. So I've got like everything details here. So very excited. Let's do it without wasting further time. So you know what I mean. Here we go. Sometime you just you already spend a lot of money on it, but yeah, things getting bad. Let's do it. Here we go. And the second thing would be, I think this way. Yep, very good boxing. I mean, I like it. It's more like Apple. When we bought some iPhone or stuff, they have usually same packing box. So yes, this is my drone. I've got my drone, and this is very beautiful, very amazing, very lightweight. Without battery, it's absolutely amazing. I love the I think it was so windy over the top of the water, the beach, so maybe that's why but when we insert the battery, it gets heavy a bit. But without battery, it's very light, very, very smart, very everything. That's before buying DJI Mini 3 Pro, I was searching a Mavic as well. Mavic is a bit heavier, which is very good for the beaches shots, but because I've got many reviews, and they say DJI Mini 3 Pro is more better. I feel it's better, but might be same, might be better Mavic, but I don't know. I like the DJI Mini 3 Pro. So absolutely amazing. This is the camera cover, which can take off, and then I can see here is a you can see, sorry guys, so yeah, I can take off this one. Yes, and here we go. So it's ready to go. Everything is perfect. I've got my stuff a lot of stuff. So I'm gonna show you next what I've got. This is recently which I bought. That's my battery for this, and I've got some other stuff which I want to show you guys. This is my this is my GoPro. Yes, and here we go. What else I've got? I've got for editing MacBook Air. Absolutely amazing. I love to do editing on a MacBook Air, so absolutely amazing. And the next what I've got, yeah, I had fly more. You know, when that guy had this fly more kits, which is absolutely amazing. You know, I've got RC. I will definitely connect it and we'll make some shorts which you guys gonna see in next coming videos. Absolutely, I love this one because it does shows what you got, what shots you got on your DJI Mini 3 Pro drone. Yeah, absolutely, very easy, very like I would say very easy. You know, what should I say? I don't know. Rather than easy, I would say just child play drone. You know. So this I've got extra batteries too, so 249 grams. So yeah, perfect. So now I've got 3 batteries, 1 drone, and RC controller. Perfect, everything combination. So I've got a GoPro camera, which I've been using, but personally I would recommend that iPhone 14 Pro Max is far better than this camera. I don't know, due to some reasons, due to some shots. iPhone is very clear. iPhone 14 Pro Max is very clear. The voice, everything is very easy, rather than you just spend a lot of money on GoPro. You know, just I would suggest you guys to just go with your any mobile phone you have. You know what I mean? So that's all the gadget I have for my shootings, for my vlogs. But yeah, well, I didn't make enough videos, so I would definitely request you guys to follow me and do comment on my video and like and share and show loves. This is the box for my drone. Something this one, yeah, sometime when you're eating food, just making one of vlogs. And this is my bag. You know, see, I love this bag. I bought this from Kmart, not very expensive, but just $30. Yes, so that was all, I guess. Yeah, this is battery charger. Yeah, perfect. So you can see everything. Perfect, guys. Again, please follow, subscribe, like, show love, and we'll see you in next video. Ta-ta, bye-bye.